everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to make super fluffy vermicelli using this MTR vermicelli pack. So let's get started. This is a 850 gram pack with a MRP of 95 rupees and it has a shelf life of 1 year. These are the unroasted vermicelli. So first we need to roast them. Put them in a pan, dry roast while stirring it continuously until they turn golden color and then turn off the gas. Now for the recipe, heat 1 tablespoon of oil, add mustard seed, curry leaves and then onion. Fry the onion until it turns pinkish. Next add a chopped medium sized tomato and a cup of seasonal veggies. I have used carrot, cauliflower, peas. Mix everything well and saute for a minute. Now add the spices, turmeric powder, salt, coriander powder, red chili powder and mix everything well. Cover and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Now the veggies are semi done and for 1 cup of vermicelli we are going to use 1.5 cup of water. Don't add vermicelli here. Just pour the water, mix and when the water starts boiling then add the vermicelli. Cover and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. You don't have to do anything. Vermicelli will absorb all the water and finally add coriander, mint leaves and squeeze half a lemon. Serve after 5 minutes. Give vermicelli time to become fluffy. Now look at the texture. They are soft but each strand is separate. And the taste, you will have to try it yourself to know. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.